Wi-Fi routers could be so much thin. Xiaomi can do that, I know. This is the AC1200 Mi Router 3. So let's unbox it. Why is it open?
So this is the Mi Router 3, not the 3C. This is the version with the USB where you can use the router also as a NAS if you connect a hard drive. And
voila! So thin.
it looks good.
Yeah.
How heavy it is? Let me.
Super duper light.
It feels very light. It says things are written in English. It has a USB jack, like I was saying, that this router you can use if you connect a hard drive. You can use the hard drive as your external NAS device, network attached storage. These are gigabit ports. All three of them. This is internet port. These are for your LAN, local networking.
And the manual is written in English.
Oh, seriously? So this is something good that Xiaomi is now making international version of things, and the manual is in English. And you can download the app from Google Play Store, Apple, whatever, and then you can configure the router even without a computer. And we have these power brick. They will tell you this is Europe type. I will tell you this is India type, and this router I'm pretty sure this is made for India, and this is India type.
Good for India.
Good for India, and this is why we have this 2-pin, which sucks. Europe sucks. This Europe type sucks because I like 3-pin. I like UK type, and I also like the US type, Chinese type, Australia type. Not this crap. Anyway. What else in the box?
We got a QR code.
We got some QR code, which is useless, I'm sure. And nothing else is in the box.
Tell the instruction where to keep the router.
Yeah, I have a suggestion for you. I saw people keeping the router beside their desk where they work, where they sleep. So I will always suggest people to keep the router away, like somewhere you do not spend your entire day. Somewhere like on top of your fridge. Somewhere, not inside the closet, definitely not, because that will block the signal. Somewhere in an open area, but not close to it, not to your line of sight, just to be safe from these signals. They say these are safe. We know what they mean, yeah. They need to make money. Anyways, that's the router. It's not a review. We just wanted to show you what's inside the box.
Super light. So thank you guys for watching this video. We will test the router and we will see how it is.